Hey, I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about a push-pull-rotate style doorknob that I installed in my house last year. I feel like I've been using it long enough now that I can confidently recommend it, and you can find a link to it down in the description. There's a whole world of doorknob options out there, different colors, different shapes, ones that lock with a key or lock with a button or don't lock at all. But for the most part, you either twist it or press it to make it work, right? Basic mechanical interactions 101. What I didn't know until recently, though, is that there's this weird breed of doorknob called push-pull-rotate. This one's made by Brinks. I bought it for around $25, and as the name would tell you, you can use it by either pushing, pulling, or rotating it. It's a neat trick, especially on a door where you routinely approach it with your hands full or with dirty hands. This door goes from our house down to the garage, and it's where our laundry room is. It's where I'm getting my hands dirty with projects. Having a way to open this door with a push is a huge benefit that I'm grateful for every day. If you're feeling advanced, you can also pull this thing open with your foot. I do this holding a laundry basket fairly frequently, though not as often as my wife would like. Installation was pretty easy. You do have to replace both the knob and the latch, though, since they're uniquely made to work together. They make a version of this with a keyed lock or no lock or a privacy lock like this one that's good for bathrooms or bedroom doors. That's all there is to it. It's a relatively minor upgrade that's had a big impact in my house. It's both kid and spouse approved. It's also a nice option for germaphobes or any doors near your kitchen where you might not want to touch a doorknob while handling food. You can find a link to this push-pull-rotate knob down in the description, and you can find thousands of reader-recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.